right now in New York. It's freezing and it's windy. The wind is not that high, but it's not letting off. It's consistent. If you're new to the Mavic Mini, there's an app, there's multiple apps, but I use this one for a quick reference. It's called UAV Forecast. And it tells you pretty much, you can set it up, the thresholds and everything. I'll leave a little link here for a guide how to use this app. It's not 100% accurate, but it is okay. And 13 miles an hour. And that's the problem. 13 miles an hour wind is not too bad. But when it's gusting at 13, that means it's not letting off. It's just hammering. That's the touch button feature. You just touch here, and then you press and hold. Whoa, drift. Don't hit the fence. Don't hit the fence. I trust you. Don't hit the fence. There's a line at the top of the fence. You gotta hold. Alright, we're just gonna bring it back. As you can see, it just drifted on takeoff and almost hit the fence. It's gusty and it's cold, and let's just see how Mavic Mini is gonna handle this. Handling it pretty well. Side-on impact hurt seems to be affecting it more because it's getting the wind hit at the side. Seems to be affecting it more. I want to see how the actual footage looks while I fly off and let it battle the wind. And let's take a look at some of the footage and see how it looks. If anybody tells you the Mavic Mini is a toy, slap. Just kidding. Don't slap anybody, but your drone is absolutely capable. I'm not telling you flying this, but just to know the security that if you were to get caught out there and the wind and all this stuff was to pick up, you know your Mavic Mini will handle it. Just keep yourself settled, find yourself home, you'll be alright. This drone impresses me more and more. If you like this kind of content, leave me a thumbs up, thumbs down, whichever thumb works for you. Make sure you hit subscribe and of course hit the bell notification so you can know when I release more Mavic Mini videos. Leave a comment below and let me know what type of videos you want me to make next. I'm on it. I'm freezing. I don't even know what to do right now. I'm out. Still giving away 6 DJI Mavic 2 Pros or Zooms. Head over to my Patreon account, donate $1, become a patron, and automatically you're entered to win a chance to win one of 6 of those drones. Guys, let's make this happen. Come on, support me and help me support you.